Yes,
Hello,
ma'am. Good
Geeta. How
evening.
are you?
I'm doing great. And how about you?
Yes, even I'm doing great. And right, we are connecting after a year, I think. It's been long time, very long time, right?
Yeah, really,
Yeah.
it's been really a long time.
So today I thought of sending you a message to connect with me. And I know that you are a teacher, so you are so much tied up with things, with school and home chores and all that, right?
Yes.
So, okay. So, have you, I think you must have read in the newspapers as well as you must have heard in the news too, right? That this incident did happen. This incident, what I'm going to narrate you is that it happened in 2013. But
Yes.
the verdict came up this year only, like before 4 or 5 days, I think. It was in the
Hmm.
newspaper that one boy named Harish Rana, he was 32 years old. And
Hmm.
in 2013, in the month of August, he was in a hostel. So he fell down from the fourth floor on that
Okay.
particular hostel building. And since then, he was in the state of coma. It means that he was in the vegetative state of AC. And it's
Mm-hmm.
been a long time. So, but now the now the Supreme Court gave its judgment that this is the first time in history when they gave the Supreme Court gave its judgment that
Hmm.
we will have a better option is that to go for mercy killing as well as it's known as euthanasia. So, but
Yes.
the doctors can't do this. They have to. They need to take a consent of their family members.
Hmm.
So, but it's a very hard judgment for the family members as well. So, but he was admitted, I think, 3 or 4 days back, he was admitted in AIMS, Ghaziabad. No, it is in Delhi. This particular boy belonged to Ghaziabad. So then
Okay.
he was admitted to AIMS hospital, and still it's like doctors are like no, sorry, doctors are vigilant very much with his like his activities and all. He's not in
Hmm.
any active state. He's just like a dead body is lying. So the doctor said that for the first time in history of India, I think, India, it
Hmm.
was the first time they gave their judgment that for mercy killing. Okay, then the relatives also gave their, they also agreed to that because it's been years, that the boy was lying in a vegetative state. So mercy killing is that it's a process. We can somebody asked them what is mercy killing. So I think
Hmm.
mercy killing is that process when a patient is suffering from some chronic disease or some that kind of a disease which is not curable, and
Yes.
everybody knows that that the patient has to die.
Hmm.
Okay, it is very much sure the patient won't survive. The patient has to die. So to end their life, to end its life, they try to withdraw the support system of that patient. Gradually, they will do this. As I read in the newspaper, after 14 or 15 days, his life will be end, and he will be like, although he will be free from all those sufferings and pain with that boy was suffering. So, what do you think? It should be like mercifully should be in India or not? Because many people doesn't agree to this. They say we shouldn't do this. It is by God's gift, and the God will take away the breath of that person. So, but it is intentionally done. So, many people are against this. So, what do you think? I think it should be given. So, what do you think?
Yeah, actually, it is really quite disheartening that this news we have come to know. And when it comes to mercy killing, as you have also elaborated, that it is also called by euthanasia.
Yes.
Okay, so mostly this type of custom was being in existence by Switzerland,
Yes.
and very first time in
Yes.
Netherlands, and in Canada, some foreign
Yeah.
countries.
Ah, yes,
But
yes, yes.
when it comes to India, so in India, as euthanasia has been taken place for two types. One is on active mode, and second is passive
Thank you.
euthanasia.
Yes.
So when it comes to active euthanasia, so it is not in our India. it is not custom in our India. But when it
Yes.
comes to passive, so passive euthanasia also being done with pets animals most of the time.
Ah,
Okay,
yes, yes.
yes,
Mm.
but in some cases it has been taken with the human's life also. So when we are talking about euthanasia, so I will say that as you told that this has been given to those persons that are just suffering from very crucial diseases, chronic
Yes,
diseases,
yeah.
and that are not being cured with medication. Okay,
Yes,
so that time only that patient is not suffering. Their parents, their family members are also suffering.
yes.
But it's also like that. Suppose if, as we are talking about Harish Rana, so
Ah,
he was suffering he has been suffering since 2013.
happy. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
but
Yeah.
now he is free from this, as our constitution has given this right to live to every citizen. Okay, in the same way, there is a right to die also. Okay, but
Huh.
that is
Yes.
on passive mode only, according to Article A, I think. Yes,
Okay.
according to
Okay.
Article A, right to die, it is said that we can also give this kind of death, but it is on the passive mode only. Means the patient is stopped by all the clinical ads. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
means
Support
all
system.
the
Yes.
clinical
Yeah.
treatment has been stopped so that they can get their life free.
Yes. Right.
Yes,
Right. Yeah. So this is about human being.
yes.
In my like I had in my father had a I was young that time, so we had a pet dog of ours. So my
Hmm.
pet dog, no, he anyway, he got that disease. What is that? Rabies. So he was
Yes.
infected with rabies. So the doctors advise us, everyone, to shoot
Hmm.
that dog, because in that case, if we are keeping that dog in our house, so I think all the family members will be infected by the rabies.
Yes.
So yeah, so but it was very difficult to shoot that pet of ours, because he was living us with 11 years, so 11 years is a long time. So we were so much
Really, this is so
associated with that
pathetic.
dog. Yeah.
Even this so pathetic with pets, so how we can take it in easy mode with human beings?
Ah, yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. Very difficult,
It is
no?
really very tough decision for the
Yes,
family members and as
yes,
well
right.
as the person who is patient. Even though he would be suffering from long time diseases or anything else, but our heart doesn't agree to give this kind of
Yes.
to our near and dear ones.
Yes, it's very difficult. It's very
Yes,
difficult to decide something about this. So we couldn't do that. We couldn't shoot our dog. So my
yes.
my brother, being an army personnel, he knew how to shoot, but he couldn't do
Hmm.
this. So for that, we hired one person and we told that take this dog away somewhere very far away from our house, and if you do that, you do this. But we won't be able to do ourselves. So we
Really,
handed
really.
over we handed over a dog to him, and whatever he must have done with that. So that,
Yes.
and about this family, about this Rana family, it's very difficult. See, for the father and mother, the decision is very much what to say, courage, very courageous, this step. So,
Yes,
but
but ma'am, there
yeah,
is one irony also. Suppose his parents are also very old, and while they are alive, so they were taking care of his child,
yes,
his son. But suppose if they would not be there, so who would take care of that?
yes,
Yeah,
right,
so
right,
that is also the reason. So I think somewhere they have taken a right decision,
right
because
decision,
if
yes,
there would be any single hope of his life, so that was not that would be a crime, that there is some hope and you are going to give or you are going to kill someone. But it's not like that. When doctor has recommended that there is no hope of living
yes,
that
yes,
person,
yes,
so
yes.
Really, I would say that it would have been really difficult, but it is really a good
Yeah,
decision for them, for
yeah, it
his
is.
life
Yes,
also.
it is. It is a good decision. It happened like with my, what to say, and this fellow, that what is his name? Rana. What is his name? I'm forgetting.
Harish Rana, Harish
Harish
Rana.
Rana. Harish Rana. His father had sold his so much property, his own house, and lakhs of rupees. I don't know how much he spent on this child of his. So because
Yeah,
parents,
even
they try to do their best for their children. But it's been so long from 2013 up to now
since
2026.
now,
Yes,
yes,
so many years
till
this
now,
boy was lying in that state. And these parents of this Rana, what is this, so they were spending so much of money on him. So there's
yes,
no use, and there was no use spending so much of money, and there was no hope for that child to survive. Maybe he lived for many more years still, maybe.
yes.
So
Even
this was,
I'm not aware during that treatment. Is this really painful for the patient or not? Or I'm
yeah,
not aware of all these kind of circumstances, that
yeah.
whether it is painful or easy going for that
Yes,
patient.
yes. But I wonder, no, I was talking to my husband just yesterday only when I read this thing in the newspaper. I read it day before. And yesterday, I was just out of concern, I asked my husband, why that boy, Harish Rana, why did he, like, what he must be doing that he fell down from that fourth-story building? So it's
Yes.
maybe we never know what the reason was. So it was very
Yeah,
pathetic.
actually, sometimes stories are in rumors only. We don't know
Ah,
what is the real truth. Yes.
yes, we never know. Yes, yes, we never know. There are so many reasons behind this, maybe. So we never know about the actual cause of that incident, right?
Yes, but I would say that there is misconception also. Those who take mercy killing, they
Yeah.
think that suicide is also like mercy killing, but it's not like that.
No, no.
It never resemble mercy killing. Mercy
Yes.
killing is different, and committing suicide is totally different.
Yes,
Because when
society.
anybody is
Yeah.
taking steps of killing himself or herself, so that time he or she is aware, totally aware that what they are
Yes.
doing. Yeah,
Yes.
it is also a condition of mental illness, some kind, but yet somewhere he or she is also aware, so that could not be said mercy killing, because some
Yes.
people says that if we are allowing it, so it should be also allowed by judicially, that some in some conditions suicide is also in
No, no,
approved.
that is
Yes,
something very different, thing. Society and mercy killing is totally different. Because
yes,
society is on the totally concerned about that person. Suppose I
yeah,
want to commit my suicide, that the ways and for what reason I'm committing my suicide, that everything depends on me. So
yeah,
no, but mercy killing is something different. It is a concern of the relatives and all that. So one thing is
yes,
coming
yes.
in my mind. Is it good? I think the everybody knows that this particular person is going to die within few days.
Yes,
So
actually, these steps are taking for the welfare of the particular one. No,
yes,
nobody just want to kill someone intentionally, especially if
yes,
they are their own blood. Okay.
yes, it's very difficult. It is. So
Yes.
these his organs should be donated. What I think is that. Because he's
Yes.
going to die, so those organs should be taken out and they should be like implanted in. There are so many patients,
Hmm.
so maybe they do this, we never know, so what is in the process, right?
Yes.
So
Actually, his parents has also gave one application in the court in 2020. In 2016 or 15 also, to for the sake of mercy killing, but that time
okay.
they denied, after saying that this is not any this the reason was not any incurable disease, so we can't
Okay.
allow that. But after
Yes, yes.
long period, when
Mm,
they saw that this is really incurable, So that time they took
Yeah,
it in the
see,
existence.
no patient or no family members of any patient can decide that we need to have, our patient needs to have a mercy killing. It's not that.
Yes.
Suppose my father-in-law was like, he was on, my mother-in-law was also on bed for 10 or 11 years.
Mm,
But then we couldn't decide. Like, it was not
yes.
on us to decide that we should
Mm,
go for the mercy killing. It all depends on the doctors, what they say. So doctors' concern and doctors' verdict is very much needed. It doesn't depend on the family members about the mercy killing. So doctors have
yes.
to decide whether we should go for that or not.
Actually, ma'am, what happens previously when most of the time family members used to live in family, in joint
Yeah.
family. So that time, if there will be any old, any senior citizens or anyone else that was suffering from that kind of diseases,
Yes, yes.
so they kept on treatment for years to years,
Yes.
because there were attachment and they do everything for the sake of that family member. But
Yes.
nowadays time has totally changed. Most of the time people think that they all are working, there is no one to take care. So
Yes.
sometimes due to these change of urbanization,
Yes.
people are easily taking these kind of steps also.
Yes. Right.
They
Right.
are giving their confirmation, this kind of custom,
Yes, and also
this
see,
kind of custom.
all the person in the family are so much busy they are.
Yes.
So they don't even have time. But the
Hmm.
ultimate judgment is all about doctors, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we are nothing, like we don't have any logic to decide ourselves. So doctor
Hmm.
has to do what he has to do. So yeah,
Yes.
that. And my mother was admitted in the hospital. She was in the army hospital, my mother,
Hmm.
and she was on the oxygen continuously for 4 days. She was on the oxygen. So one day, what I remember, the doctor came and asked my brother that should we take out that oxygen support system, because she won't survive. But my brother told, no, we will watch for 3 more days. You can decide it later. So maybe some miracle happens and my mother gets revived again. So he didn't
Yes.
say go for the doctor's judgment. So yes, but automatically she died on that very same day at
Hmm.
night. But we didn't allow this. My brother said, let us watch for some for more hours. After 72 hours, we'll watch, and after that, you can decide whatever you wish to. Yeah.
Really. Yeah. Here in this context only, I would love to
Yeah.
ask one more question that is related to dialysis. You would have
Yeah.
listened that that person is on dialysis, and sometimes doctor keep one particular person on dialysis.
Yes.
When we are talking about dialysis system, so somewhere when there is no hope of life
Huh.
in
Of the
anyone's
patient. Yes.
means anyone's life, so that time also sometimes the doctor keep it on dialysis knowingly or unknowingly, है ना? Whether there is hope
Yes.
of life or not. So what do you say? Whether it is a good system that somebody should go with the dialysis, or they should wait for natural death.
Yeah, I think dialysis acts like, I'm not aware of these kidney issues, but what I think is that the doctors go for this process of dialysis just to keep that patient alive, because I think dialysis is not done with that patient. So it's very
Hmm.
difficult to survive. What I think is that. I'm not sure about that. Suppose a patient has a very serious problem of kidney, both the kidneys are not working, but
Hmm.
if somebody is not undergoing the dialysis, then it's very difficult to survive. So it is a kind of support system for that person. What I think is, I'm not sure about that. Yeah, maybe.
Yes, here I would say that when it
Yeah,
comes to taking any person on dialysis,
yeah, yeah.
when we see it spiritually, I'm just giving it my point. Nobody just should judge with it. If
Yeah.
we are taking something, taking someone on dialysis, suppose the person has come to an age where he is going to complete his life in this world, and his role of his life in this world, and doctors knowingly, or sometimes family
Yeah.
members also knowingly want to keep him alive, so that there is attachment like moh maya or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Right. Right.
Okay, but there is one condition in this way. The person who is really going to get what do we say, going to get self realization, or वो mukti types है ना.
Yes.
If anybody
हाँ,
just want to release his prana,
yes.
but he's
हाँ,
not able to release his prana because we are giving him some kind of a system that is not allowing him
हाँ.
to leave his breath.
Hmm,
So
hmm,
that
hmm,
is
hmm.
also a one kind of crime.
Yes, maybe yes, it can. Yeah, it can be considered as a crime, right? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, but now so many technology has been developed, so many things are, this modern era. So we have so many things to keep the patient for long time,
Mm.
for long
Yes, yes.
duration, I can say, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Geeta, so